In recent times, the age-old system of medicine, that is Ayurveda, taking everyone attention, maybe because of its effectiveness and less or no side effects, as in the case of allopathy system of medicine. Today, let us know about Indian Ayurveda system. Ayurveda is a science and knowledge of life. The word Ayu means life, Veda means knowledge. It's nothing but knowledge of life. It also means Ayurveda is as old as Vedas, that is about 5000 years old. We all have studied about Vedas during our school and college times. There are four Vedas: Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Samaveda, and other. Ayurveda is a medical science existed in this country when no other systems were in existence in the world. The other systems here means the Unani system of medicine, the homeopathy system of medicine, the Siddha system of medicine, and of allopathy system of medicines. This fact really makes us proud about our country and its traditions, isn't it? Of course, it truly makes us proud. Further, in those periods, the system of Ayurveda had evolved to an extent that even plastic surgery were performed by Acharya Sushruta. That is why Acharya Sushruta is known as father of modern plastic surgery. Ayurveda was aimed not only curing the disease but also at preventing them. This feature we never get to see in modern medicine system, that is allopathy. The man is an epitome of the universe. The universe consists of 5 elements, that is earth, water, fire, air and space, that is akasha. In same way as we are part of this universe, we human mind and body are also made up of these panchabhutas. In Ayurveda, every diseases are dependent on three dosha. They are Vata, Pitta and Kapha. These three doshas are called three bioenergies in the body, which actually governs the body, means they dictates the activities of the body. The body's growth, development and diseases are depends on these three doshas. And these doshas are made up of 5 mahabhutas. These mahabhutas are nothing but panchabhutas, of course in different proportions. For example, Vata is composed of space and air bhutas. Pitta is composed of fire and water bhutas. Similarly, the water and earth bhutas are in predominance in Kapha. This is how the panchabhutas are present in our body. Then, how each of these doshas are related to our body functions? Let us know about it. Firstly, how Vata is connected to our body system. Vata is connected with the nervous system and it regulates all the movements and activities of the body. The body functions which are regulated and controlled by Vata doshas are respiration, which is nothing but breathing, swallowing, speech, voice, digestion, blood circulation and excretion of waste products from our body. Secondly, the Pitta doshas responsible for metabolism and body's heat and digestion of food. That is nothing but our Jataragni. The body functions which are regulated by or controlled by Pitta doshas are digestion, blood formation, vision, skin color, etc. Lastly, the Kapha dosha aids in movement of structure and maintenance and growth of the body. And the body functions which are regulated by Kapha doshas are tissue nourishments, that is nothing but formation of muscles, of course digestion, experience of taste and strength. Here we can notice that the digestion function involves all the 3 doshas which require to be in balance. Even if any one of these doshas are imbalanced, disturbs the digestion. When these doshas are in equilibrium and in balance, it results in good health. Hence, in Ayurveda, the medicines are usually prescribed for a disease mainly on the basis of Prakriti, which is nothing but constitution, and dosha. If a person is of Vata Prakriti, then Vata pacifying medicine and food are advised to cure the disease, and similarly for other doshas. That's all about a small introduction about the Indian Ayurveda system. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video content useful, do subscribe, share and click the thumbs up button.